Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel, The Missionary in Rural Village. You can see I'm cracking my kernel. This is kernel. You can see I'm cracking the kernel I picked yesterday. After cracking it, I will use it and prepare kernel oil. There's an adage that said, without man, God is powerless. Without money, gospel is useless. You can see without money, the gospel cannot be preached. That is the reason why I'm hustling to make money so that the ministry will move forward. I want to run a crusade, 3 days crusade with free medical. I need money. Money is involved. Please, if you love me, want to support my program, like and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you.